shot, so she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun. Anything.
Hello and welcome to Neicey's Custom, where I show you how to do sublimation products using Sublimate Studios. If you're new to my channel, look at the whole video. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you finish the whole video, can you please leave a heart in the comment section? Thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Today we're going to do a round compact mirror. You know, the compacts, you know, the ladies use to look at themselves. Well, we're going to do that today. We're going to design one today for Valentine's Day. As you can see, I already have my circle, and the circumference is 2.25. Sorry about that, guys. My dog is barking. And this, we just gonna, I got it red. I might change the color, I don't know, but I'm gonna go over here in my library and I'm going to merge this image right here. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change my background. And I'm gonna change it to, I don't know, I guess paint. So I'm gonna move this over like that. But I think I'm gonna make it smaller because I don't know how big this circumference is. I don't know if it's gonna, sorry about that, guys. We're gonna put it like that. And let me see what else I can put on there. We just finding anything to design this. I like that. Let me see this. Oh, red. Move that over like, oh, move that. Well, let me move this over. Move that over like that. Let me change the outline for that. Pink. Oh, well, no, I changed the color. Didn't mean to do that. The Cupid, change that to black. Move that over. Make that a little smaller. Oh, I need to make this right here a little smaller. Oh, look what I did. Okay. I'm gonna leave it like that. So when you look at yourself in the mirror, you see Cupid, cutest Valentine, and it's you. So I'm gonna go ahead and print this out because I'm not adding nothing else to it. I'm gonna go ahead and print that out. I don't know what's going on with my printer. Make sure that everything is how it's supposed to be. Portrait, mirror, yeah, everything is fine. And I will see you in a little bit when we press it out. Guys, correction on that circumference, on that circle, is going to be 1.33. So that's what it's going to be. Sorry about that.
Okay guys, I have my design already printed off, and what you want to do, it's a protective plastic on the piece where you're gonna print your, well, put your design on. You have to tear that off, and what you want to do is just place it right in the middle like that. Get some heat tape and just tape it down. And what you can do, instead of putting this whole piece of paper on there, you can just cut it out. Like that. And this is your compact. This is your compact. Let me open it up for you. And that's the mirror. Okay. And let's go ahead and press this. You can go ahead and press that. I got a piece of butcher paper right there. And I got this like a little piece of butcher paper. I'm gonna press this for 350 degrees at 60 seconds. Okay, that's done. I'll move everything to the side. Take out the side. Okay, we're gonna get our tweezers. I'm gonna lift it up. Take the heat tape off. And that's how our design is gonna look. Cute. Should be cooled off already. Okay. And next thing we're gonna do, it's place it on our compact. You have to lift this up like that. And we're gonna take our design. Move this that way. And we're going to place our design right there. Make sure I got it on there good. Right there. And just press it down. Make sure that it's on there good. And voila. Here it goes. Oh. There it goes. That's the design you did on your compact. Okay guys, that's it, the end of the video. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you looked at the whole video, can you please put a heart in the comment section? Guys, I'm really trying to work my channel. I appreciate if y'all would show me some kind of love. And you can check out my other channel that I have. It's called Regular Life with the Gilberts. It's a new channel, so don't rag me too bad. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Peace.
If you need something custom, call Neicey Custom, she gon' get it done. Like and subscribe, you gon' have fun. Anything custom.